Hi there, albytastic here and welcome. In the comments section of this video, Mr Goodcat asked, would a Samsung 870 EVO Sata 3 SSD work on the Z800? He wanted to use it as a boot drive. Assuming that he meant to fit it into the Z800 Hard Drive Bay in the way that I showed in the video, I said it would. I told him that he should fit it into Bay 0, which is the top bay on the Z800, as that is the location usually used to boot from. In the Z800 the SATA connectors are here. The blue connector is SATA 0, usually taken as the boot connector, although of course it doesn't have to be. For instance, in this Z800 I booted from an mSATA SSD mounted in a PCIe 2 slot. These 4 SATA cables go to the hard drive bay and are labelled Bay 0 to Bay 3, each one corresponding to a SATA connector in the hard drive bay of the Z800. I didn't have a Samsung 870 SSD, but I did have several others and decided to compare speeds for various SSDs plugged into the SATA 2 connectors. Kingston 120 gig, Samsung 850 EVO 500 gig, Samsung 860 EVO 1 TB, Samsung 860 QVO 1 TB. Notice that there is virtually no difference in the speed figures for the different SSDs. That's because we are using SATA 2, which really limits the speed of an SSD. So Mr Goodcat can use almost any SSD connected into the SATA 2 connections on the Z800, but using a faster SSD will not result in any real-world advantage. However, in my next video I am going to show you how to improve the responsiveness of the Z800 and possibly save money in the process. So tell us what to do next, please, Amelia.
Hello friends, if you enjoyed our video, can I ask you to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you as a regular viewer. Thank you, and have a lovely day.